Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll just be doing a video of how I removed my I guess skin tag on my lash line here. It is no longer here, but it was, and I removed it at home myself with just some little scissors. Wash them out, sterilize them, and snipped it off. So if you guys want to see how I did that, I didn't want to go to a professional, but I also didn't want to like stab and mess up my eye or anything like that. So this is the best and quickest way for me. If you guys want to see how I did that, just keep on watching. These are the scissors I used to snip off the skin tag. Just make sure that they're sanitized before you use them. These are just brow scissors, and I'm just showing you the tips of where I used to snip it. And here is the skin tag on my lash line. I started my makeup and then I couldn't stand looking at the skin tag, so I just got some scissors, and here I'm snipping it off. There's lots of methods that people use. I'm just using the scissor method, and I'm just being really careful not to snip off any eyelashes, any of my natural lashes. Just being really careful and going in there and snipping it a little bit at a time. I got really scared here when I saw the blood, but I kept going and I snipped it off. And then I just had some paper towels to blot the blood, and within seconds it stopped bleeding. So there you have it. And it's just my eye, it's just really watery because of the scissors being so close to my eye, but it really was nothing. And here I am going back in to just snip off the remaining portion. I'm sorry about the camera quality. It sucks, but you get the picture. So I'm gonna go back in for a last time and just snip off the little itty bitty extra bit of skin that's hanging off, and there you go, you can see it now. There we go. So there you have it, how I removed my skin tag at home, and it literally took like 30 seconds. Yeah, that's what it looked like off. Pretty gross, but I'm so glad I did it. So here I am, skin tag free. I'm just showing you guys how it looks after being removed, and I'm so happy that I removed it. Alright, so this is the final look with my makeup and everything. It's been off for about 7 hours now. I went to the mall, came back, went shopping, got food, whatever, and as you can see, there's literally like nothing there. You can't even see the scar. Barely see the scar. I know there's going to be a lot of comments about me doing it myself, so if you don't feel comfortable removing the skin tag yourself, definitely go to a professional to have it done. I was just doing my makeup today to go out, and I saw that it actually grew, so I wanted to remove it before I did all my makeup and everything. It was just my personal preference. It wasn't in my like eyesight or anything, so like it wasn't like blocking right here. It was over to the side. Literally took seconds to remove, but if you don't feel comfortable, then definitely go to a professional to have it done. But yeah, this is just my journey. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you feel like you know, you can remove it yourself, definitely go for it. But if you don't go to a professional to have it removed. And I was just impatient, didn't want to wait to actually go in to see a doctor to have it either lasered off or whatever it is they do. I just wanted to get rid of it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.